Ya fe.
Ije buko mo kala.
Oferu we koko wa kala pa ye ni wa te. O yi láti Bible bi kana yi koko ya se.
Owa se na ate mi omi agbe ko o ke na ya ni bi ka ifi lu gbe pa de. O ha mo se de se negative ava o ha mu gbe eje party my brother, my bro. Bro.
Mr. Fred.
Bro.
Fred one. Fred.
I be knocking again. A push here to na be.
Come tell us how you take the carry mama Kevin the rich gazing. When you go
understand?
Didn't open a video call. No,
camera magoma.
I'm sorry.
Anybody not really open platform. Anybody not really open video. Make sure my
grab your copy.
He have a gift. Me why I give it to avec bebe na wa gift. He
problem is gift ya no way collect get talking. God am wele 3 years.
I want to give him a
also God, the skin. I
me wa ge giant to pa ogwa yo ball la zabo o to ku me le ga ki me ki no we fa we la ya o ye me ja wo be wa ye say no wa
oye ti yo atato wo ga ya ma
edele frank ya me ko ya wa digwe
ebi ya bo se
damio edele frank ya me o ka wa digwe wa me o wa digwe
ye ka digwe
wetin dey your belle
do me be dey go ye wa ni ki bere ono wa da be yo wa da be me ka ki me na ga wa lo wa lo di be yo do me ya go to
everyone is this Jeff na be no general so
Sister Evie, what was you
respect? Very me ta se egbe oh, you got a coin wa ye coin.
On est tiens pour papa agwa lo fe ma wa.
Me na ga ti e pardon o do
ko Iwa kole we ni igba fa wa kole we akọ Yoruba kona do ya me agboke won de emi first wife for go ya call yen na ame me wa ni kaka me ma be ina be mudia no we live video phone ina watch
wa mo le di Juliet adi odukun
ona fi ame we video phone
wa ti mo le di Juliet
o we video phone ina Ina ye call le wo video phone e me na ma mo phone.
Brother Jeje. Why
Yo, radio, e fra Vittorio già,
E moderator bo. Mo me
Sister,
I'm no buy egg make give TikTok iwe voice ni we like voice. Orun da mere mo. La more.
Ekiga basi re o, ekiga basi no me.
Superstar.
Sister Ivy là.
Betu mama ke bana ku wa mama ish. We are gonna mama yi.
Hold on, we'll bring you now. Hold on, I beg.
Thank you. If not here naturally, social media president, Sister Isoken, I must greet you. And princess in Owavi Rodokum.
Respect.
Fred, if Fred in Heme Cabo,
maybe if you a princess you one rose.
Fred in Heme Cabo.
Mama tell not about your woman.
Mommy princess.
Wait, that not
Amache ball way.
Queen na no go do that.
E pa malake na malake na.
Amache ball.
Actually, I ain't ba.
Oh, guys, all you know present you were.
One rose of a supermarket abuma ho. One appoint no say.
Mama princess.
Sorry, no, you don't do that.
My children make go down.
Mommy,
I understand.
You don't bully my children, so
I'm sorry.
Where you find problem?
Mama,
please,
I was just trying to give tributes to people. You understand? Why I came to this life is because of my friend, Fred. Fred is my very good friend. We are not in Igbe. We know all the way from. I stayed in Italy before. Maybe he might not know me. Maybe if he I check my platform all the way. I know him through Federal Man. So I will do a Miller squad. Then Ahina, a Fred, a Guale, a Moma. You know, when I see him trying to throw some light with somebody.
Who is Fred? Are you talking of Jeff?
Say yeah, Jeff. I'm talking about. Sorry.
Yeah.
Jeff. Yeah. Jeff.
Okay, sir.
Talking about. Sorry, Jeff. Yeah. Sorry. I was talking about Jeff. I'm actually talking about you.
Okay.
So, I don't want to speak English. Okay,
right on, sir.
Yeah, because J Fred, you know. Jeff Rose, good. So I knew you through Federal Man, or Team Federal Man, and if I should mention some names.
Okay.
Which you know all the way from Radio Miller from Parma, you might know Kwango.
I know Kwango.
Good. You might know Chisky.
I know Chisky. I think it's a UK. It's Germany now.
It's okay. Now I caught everywhere. Okay. Because I know where.
I was squatting everyone.
Woman of Gualeme.
At all.
But I don't know why because somebody like me, when you make here, I don't talk too much. When we always got in mama, I can't be. Understand, but when somebody is trying to bring you up, for that guy to bring you up, make you know saying get challenges.
Man, also we did some men who
you understand. So by his grace, Baba Lao, I don't want you to answer. Don't give your answering ears to anybody.
Okay, sir.
I don't want anybody to dent your name.
Yeah.
Because you have built yourself.
A lot.
So nobody will come dent your name. That's why I came up. Not because of anything. You understand? And
I know so you know everything.
Yeah, no worry. All of us we did with the watch, but I beg. Because if you can't talk too much, it get the way they be. Now return of the mark, now it go come be.
Yeah.
So, and you are learned, you know what I'm talking about.
Confirm, yeah.
Let you chill.
I know everything.
Just calm down, you know.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate, bros. Thank you.
I want you to calm down.
Okay.
You understand? Don't let any bully bring you up for what you don't want to do.
Okay,
because if you really come up, now return of the mark. So take it like that.
Okay, Baba.
You understand that? So I greet you, Enoge. I greet you, my brother, my friend.
Yes, Baba. Almost what we are the man. When all year they do Emilia. Ovie Sharon. If you know say you be Fracomoswo, anyway, now where are they? Your courage on the 9th of November. Where Baware again me yes. Anyway, Tana.
Yes.
On the 9th of November is a go.
Jordi, what are you saying?
What are you saying?
What are you saying?
Moderator la making go basire.
What are you saying now for everybody?
My friend, I love you to the end, man. You are my bestie. You understand that? I must greet you. I greet us. I can't go see same message to my senior brother. My uncle, they also.
But we are said though, I don't
because of this organ you come over, I know you. Now my brother,
Cavalry greetings. Who be that? No.
Because of English, they part the break since they not be carry you.
No. Oshma, no, wait till you make me clap up bread. Bro, you know say Mommy Ivy, if you, that's Mommy Triple. Now only you the runner.
Yes, now.
Here is a carbon, so you wake me when you and I have your me. I take me one your mini barrack. I tell you no lie. When we have any measure, me not fear anybody. I want to beg for one thing.
Okay.
I remember we get argument. As Jeff opened this platform, maybe two people get fracas. Or their own. Why they on leech? It's not cool. You understand? Because
exactly.
No, not be. I don't quarrel anybody. I just try explain. Maybe we dey sometimes just dey cool. I will look what the doctor.
Okay.
I beg.
Okay, you say me mana tie we dey gbe but here where Efra Victor what was Efra Victor will do me no let us not dey do this platform I'll come down just now here where Efra Victor was so
no mama you go come down if you want rap we take they not dey fight for platform na
here
say dey do
Victor so we will do na you dey come dey preach Bible not be so
na mujane king obasi go
Laoche Gobasi come
Mama, you just believe say the way una take the way they take they fight for everybody get the way they take they fight too. You know understand? Some people sabi fight distance fight. You cause my papa from afar, cause my mama. Why some people they sabi fight you if they see you one on one. So now the one way person sabi go do.
Basi igbe na swan with social media na finish on na very any. Ai kesi le gba.
Oni evori we.
Ai kesi le gba
Mare we do am argument. Tu do mudiana mama. Mare we ma argument. Imaro bi ogu. Imagwe family we gwa do robi ra na robi ye na robi ne. Uwe social media ona.
Uwe so basi.
Love, Queen, my Lord, you bound. Queen, Mudane, even no pass it time away, Some people not into social media. You understand me? If you like, talk anything, But now, on the great day, now people tell the wrong things. Now listen. All say not me Fred.
Jeff.
We call it Jeff. You know Jeff. Hey Jeff. Hey, sorry. Hey Jeff. Jeff has built his name. Nobody will come and dent. Oh mama. Where would I? No. This man that is
my brother, we're mutual. Let the
man talk. Now you just come up, you never talk. When I let her talk, what to be all this one? I know they like her.
You know, waiting with all the
continue.
You know, say one thing about life, and when it comes to fight, everybody have their own way of fighting. You know, understand? So, but waiting, we will need to let each other know. Be say, if we get one-on-one online, even if we dey talk, we know they get limit of talk. Not be everybody they believe say start for social media, it go finish for social media. Because me, I don't know. Say very soon. When you are in Nigeria, they man social media here you because working, I'm moving a lot. You do more less of your man, no man, no so know that we're very do feel with my young imagine on ya way. You know understand? Because when soon I'm with camera and Gave okay my camera because of my know the nap where I'm young one ego move, I'm young one ego but my yakin white love your move bopa. Imeta even so emaniburo no we social media ya robi o ma be ni ya robi o ma ne won kin aye kagbon men we man not ga ma you dey how they call your city ya kin they no dey waka free about they bad that they na so they run up and they hide down kwen they follow everywhere they go but area take kin na ya kin na mama gari everybody go dey you know understand. Everybody go dey, not be say where aga imu egbe to for no do ka water marking. At least na do bo agui. Oke na be ame limité ke na gwanse.
Yeah.
On ya on ma no ban mi se agbo. Ona ma ga. Oh we uru bi roma ijoma ivioma ori monoro gele dame. If now you get one on one, baba get me down. Ole Morocco no shaking. U come na area no shaking rovie. O comedy making. Ya so run we ata on here me ya te joke when we to where the content in me. You know understand better me so have lu enwa. O we me ni ma be were manania. O ma ga aro vijima we ni mare mana. Ijo pero no what we we obas wa mu phone we wa aro we Jeff wa aro we da ijo pero no time e bi yan. Just that we abi no abi ko. You understand? I work a mass, I so many mass, man, boom, money, boom, we boom, man. Or who we marry go give you,
Thank you
a
so
man,
much.
whatever,
Welcome to
yeah,
the
you understand? The mom just dey happy, say, this my pikin not dey Nigeria again. Uri go get, Umari go get better, no one was so tall. Because ora keki de ora on wa fi osisi ve mana e pitaro wa yen vo agbina ve mana or lekian or money ga eti like we body mom go calm down. You know even send your money but just be cool with yourself. Then you do aro wa ve dokpa one idiot go your con as con video person mama join us one begin the insult person mama. They don't send us the one we would dey now. You go fit talk to me anyhow. Say na saga. Yeah, time me no that. E then have a boa even no we that's anything. Not be live, bro. Everybody they look like from different perspectives. Waiting you know not being be will not be waiting I know. Eh, so wrong here. Waiting the packet cigar now you borrow a vow.
No, you know.
And so you raw a boy winner a boy raw. And so I can only know where are you uzua. You understand? Why and so rock when they could we flight whoever been to the we flight in here stay at police in whoever. So everybody get different ways of doing things. Just that anything in my own lu enwa. Ogi magariane, ogi my so say 40 something years, you know. We man not just may say 10 years or may say 15 years. You know understand? A sense of the father logomo or make no angwali muna you are bio or we Peter, or we the Peter no we no ga room we or we Peter ni o ma dara no. Where you rag more, but even where you toy wa log more. You know understand? So may we not cause chaos when you go give us problem with time. If anything, they are gui, but I have a gui, have a dollar. But run no na here time be. I got double dollar. I eti ya no my agbe. You understand? So even in me so bro, I beg anything when it's still day. I see the video. Imi video nu adina be miemine aga uya efeta yo emi okpa nota ni man like una ka man where uri 24 hours in no ya apologize. First of all, you never ask him to apologize to your sister, to your mom and your family insulted. And that one I confirm. Where emi no ka gbok bi yourself agbona now when you get ego. You know understand? It's brother no era me wo bi anu han mu or weto. Or when you so no bi anu
idiot in our time.
Mama, no, Mama, Mama, and I'm waiting. I see online now they talk. And I'm a happy that I don't get anything with them. I just didn't play a video on where a Jeffy. I mean, when I see Google the social media, and that one I show. Or when you apologize in me, we 24 hours in there. So now waiting in the try and analyze. Oh, now we no apologize. You apologize to the mother because oh, we have a problem. Veni mayaya mwa do ijo mo pa yagbon ya no. Understand? Veni me kian mere vi mere Nigeria vi me make pa I go see men ore we but I no dey give me dey talk to their mom. It just be like the way I dey now the waka dey go I go waka jam your mom or mama I no give anybody mama for here. Now my mama now that respect when you go give am if you dey with am I go give am. Me kian me you ya dey me your bola eri wa I kian dey imi I mean, we have a uniju anything. So if you ask someone to apologize to your mother, it's normal. Since you hear your mother don't get problem. You understand? So na normal thing.
Me you know the plan for you making a bus talk. No the plan.
We're not getting stressed for what they don't want to talk.
Listen, we all
Mama Queen,
here.
want to need to know waiting you like, quick, waiting you like. Everybody
Francomoz iye Sharon iye Jeff Noah. Iye Tea uwa Bros, that go. Why we Sharon or take here?
Why we Sharon maybe? Why we more Sharon be David?
We Sharon. They know Ogo can go Francomoz.
But Ogi Sharon Kasunu, Ebra Jeff, you know, Kalatia. Don't stop him from it.
Man.
He was the first person. He did a video that went viral.
Yes.
Hey, Frank, who went in here?
Ovie Sharo Hijame, Jeff Hijanua, Afra Comoswo, Jeff.
Man, this saga go wrong, God, though. Mo, you're
if you allow me to rebound, and listen, you are fighting a very big cause. Hey, Jeff, you know what the thing that touched me? You know why? Because this one. No, you know what the thing. You know why the thing that busts my head right now, Jeff. Frank no really know if not that room away stand. It get the way men take do. So you know one thing, it get waiting and
now women go
now.
The matter. Not be say anything. Not be say
calm down.
They tell you.
So men not into social media things. Men they do underground. But I don't understand.
You want the problem for social media? I go see you. I'll call you.
I don't understand.
Exactly.
Jeff, he don't do Jeff now.
Frankie,
Jeff, I beg.
You say everybody they deny you deny your own brother.
Yeah, you call Jeff. Yeah, you call Jeff.
Regardez là-bas.
I know what mother single mother you end up married ancestors. I know mommy you look como when mute said to where. I know what mother single mother una do ya mi issue no kwa. I know what mother single mother
I don't like
Thank you. But we see, we had to worry about because a man in river that man setting, have a big bit, man.
We want to read now.
No, don't worry about that. You have a yavo. Because I was thinking that maybe it has set to him. So I was saying, now I'm Mudia. I was just like, never gift him, thank God for peace sake. The man or team married Jeff, I can. I had been a way because the least person may be at him, okay? That's Jeff. Understand? We love Mujanena.
Shut up your mouth.
We love Mujanena.
We love
wait now, because I perceive why I know right from time, very kind and he too quiet. I have no background country, so the thing surprised me. I do muladi. And I went back Begamona. Pensa de Bene, you know, so come and fat, Jordan is now. Oh,
Queen, somebody, if you Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Can you stop to me somebody talk?
Okay.
If you had Ijaki Adam,
where's the year where's the year with comment section?
Oh, shit. Wasiania.
Boy, I block Uber. I block everywhere. We give Sadia no get we give it. Mother stand fire down. Fire down.
Mommy, 2
o'clock here having winner. We are there everywhere.
Apologize na me for apologize. Oh yeah, me na wa Victor e wa fi ma na gie. Edeni amo e romi ya wa ban e wa ihe ko. When I ask some more, I say 24 latches. Our me Frankie.
All right.
Our be. If you are one, Ekiagani on my little talking. If you
idiot, no go down. I don't know why you why don't we are
better. Yegire mania. That year by me a boy say one. If
can you listen to me? If you now, I always beg you for something. You are a special, good one, good. Good. If you